Hello brothers and sisters, I hope that you are well. So in this video I will make a summary about difference between animals in a class and Lambda expression. Okay? So let's make it one by one. Here I have animals in a class and here Lambda expression. What is the first difference? The first difference is animals in a class is a class without a name, but a Lambda expression is a function without a name. Okay, so the first one. Second thing, animals in a class can extend from concrete class and abstract class. Lambda expression can't extend from concrete class or abstract class. But we have also point 3 is the animals in a class can implement an interface with multiple methods. But Lambda expression can implement an interface or functional interface with only one abstract method. Okay? Also, animals in a class can contain an instance variable, but it is not the case for Lambda expression. What here we have also as difference. Animals in a class can be instantiated. It is not the case about Lambda expression. We can't instantiate Lambda expression. Okay? Also, this keyword in animals in a class refers to the current animals in a class object. In Lambda expression, this keyword refers to the current outer class object. Okay? What we have also. In the compilation process, animals in a class will be generated as a class. Okay, we have separated class. The main class and the animals in a class. They have two classes. But Lambda expression, the compiler don't generate a class. Okay? Also, animals in a class will be good if we want to handle multiple methods. But Lambda expression will be the best choice if we want to handle only one abstract method. And the last difference between them, what we have also. Each time we create an instance of animals in a class, we allocate memory in heap space, okay? But Lambda expression is permanently reside in memory. Okay, we don't create it each time. Okay, so here is the difference between animals in a class and Lambda expression. And as you can see, the animals in a class is big different from Lambda expression. Okay? So, before to start a new chapter, I will add a new thing about Lambda expression from always for this context. With previous example, I will just add the new thing. So I will take the previous example, okay, and I will add just some statement. So I have, for example, I change the age by ID, for example, int ID equal to. Inside Lambda expression, I will print the two variables, system out.println age about outer class and system out.println ID about local variable of Lambda expression. Okay, we have the result, no problem. Here, as I said before, the ID is a local variable. Okay, it is not an instance. Now, what you must understand, or you must put in your head, there is some point here, some specification, another good point. The local variable ID is final, okay, inside Lambda expression. What does it mean, this final? The value is fixed, okay? The value is fixed. You can't change it. Okay? You put final keyword or no, the compiler knows it's final, okay? It's very important. That's why I want to add it in this video. So if I go to the computer with a good program, you will see if I am trying to change the value of the ID inside expression, I can do it. I got an error. Okay? Of course, you can access the outer variable directly, yeah, of the class. No problem. Inside Lambda expression, you can access directly. There is no problem about this. But the local value is final. You can't change it. That's what I want to achieve. Okay? I don't want to forget this, because when I have make the summary, I say something that I have forgot to add this in previous video, so it's very important to know it. Okay? So if you want, I will go to the computer to see when I execute this code, when I am trying to modify this variable ID. I have an error directly in Eclipse, you will see, because I am using Eclipse. It's a very good editor. You can test another editor, but you will see the error. Okay? So I will go to the computer before to come back and to finish the video. Let's go. So as you can see, I have changed here just the variable ID, age by ID, and I will display the two variables. I can access, as I said, for the outer variable of class directly here without any other thing. So I can execute this. Let's go, tack, and I have the two variables, okay, age and ID. Now what I will do, I will try to change the age, okay, and I will print this one here also, no problem. After, for example, and I will try to change also ID, and look here, for example. Okay, I have an error. See, what is the error? Directly, here is an error. A local variable is defined in the inclusive scope must be final or effectively final. So I can't change it. Okay, it's very, very clear, the error. Now you have see I can't change it, the variable of local variable. So let's finish the video to close the chapter, inshallah. Let's come back. So now I have showed you a lot of things about Lambda expression, and the next topic I will start a new chapter about default and static method. Before to close this, I will talk again about advantage of using Lambda expression. So what is the first advantage? we can enable functional programming in Java. Okay? 2, we can reduce the code or the length of the code. 3, we can also reduce the complexity of animals function animals inner class. Sorry, that we have shown before in the previous video. Also, what we can do also, we can handle function just like value. Okay? What we can do also, we can pass function as an argument. Okay? Also, it's easier to update an API and libraries. And the last advantage, we can enable to support parallel processing. Okay? So that is the 7 point advantage of about using Lambda expression. In inshallah next chapter I will start to talk about default and static method. This is the new feature in Java 8. I hope that you have understand how to use a Lambda expression. I don't show you thousands of examples, but I have tried to show you to cover the different topic about Lambda expression. Okay, the basic, of course, the concept basic of Lambda expression, because on the next topic we use Lambda expression, predicate, etc. So I hope that you have understand this concept of Lambda expression, and now you are familiar. Just remember, you must practice to be familiar. Okay, it's very important. I shall see you in next video, brothers and sisters, for the next topic. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Take care for you. You are staying at home in this moment of COVID-19. Stay at home. Clean. Make your time. Make profit for your time. Don't lose it in other things, in movies or in other things. Try to learn. Try to enter to practice new thing. It's very important. I hope you are well. It's very it's the principal thing. You're healed, of course. It's the first case. Take care. So, see you in the next video, inshallah. Goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.